Thank you for joining me for this brief tutorial that walks through managing locations in the ArtelWare software application. I have a lot of information to share with you, so let's go ahead and get started. Within the ArtelWare application, locations are assigned to devices such as pipettes, automated liquid handlers, as well as instruments. There are two ways to add a location. The first way is by clicking on the Add Location shortcut in the Get Started bar. The second way is by navigating to the Configuration side panel icon and then clicking on the Location section. In this video, let's go ahead and use the Add Location shortcut on the Get Started bar. We'll go ahead and select Add Location and enter the location name. You'll notice that within the location screen that there's only one red asterisk, indicating that there's only one required field. The description field is optional and it doesn't need to be completed unless you want it to be. So now that I've added the location name, I'll save my entry. Once a location has been added to ArtelWare, it cannot be edited. However, it can be deactivated and then a new location assigned to a particular device or instrument. Let's go ahead and walk through how we deactivate a location. So remember, our locations are all listed in the configuration navigation icon on the far left. So we'll go ahead and click on the configuration icon. We'll select the location that we wish to deactivate, and then we'll click on the Deactivate Selected Location icon. From there, the software will prompt for a check to make sure that you wish to deactivate that selected location. Now, in some cases, locations cannot be deactivated because they are associated with an instrument or a pipette or an automated liquid handler. In this particular case, when you see a location error message, similar to this one, you'll want to go to your pipettes list, to your automated liquid handler list, or to your instruments list, and filter on location, and then reassign a new location to those particular items. Let's go and take a quick look to see what instruments, pipettes, or automated liquid handlers might be associated with this Cal Lab location. We're going to navigate to the configuration icon that's located on the left side navigation panel. First, let's click on the Instruments section, and let's make sure that there aren't any instruments that are associated with this Cal Lab location. We'll click on the filter icon at the top of the list, and we'll click on Location. We don't need to type the entire Cal Lab location. We can just type in a partial. From here, we can see that we do have one PCS instrument that is assigned to the Cal Lab location. Let's go ahead and click on the Edit icon, and that way we can click on the ellipsis and reassign this location to Hawaii. We'll go ahead and select Save, and then we'll click on this Remove Filter icon, so that way we can see our entire instruments list again. Next, let's go to the Pipettes list. And let's make sure that there aren't any pipettes that are associated with that Cal Lab location. Once again, we'll click on the filter icon, we'll click on Location, and we'll start typing in Cal Lab. We can see that there's one pipette that's associated with the Cal Lab. We'll go ahead and click on that Edit icon. We'll reassign this pipette to a different location and select Save. And yet again, we'll click on that Remove Filter icon. Last but not least, let's go ahead and check this Liquid Handler section in case you're an MVS system user. We'll go ahead and click on the filter icon once again and navigate to Location. Yet again, we can see that we have one liquid handler that's associated with that Cal Lab location. Let's go ahead and click on the Edit icon, and let's go ahead and assign this to the Hawaii location. And click Save, and once more, let's go ahead and click on that Remove Filter icon. Now we can navigate back to the Locations section. You can see that the Cal Lab location is already highlighted. Let's go ahead and click on this Deactivate Selected Location icon. I'll go ahead and add my electronic signature and select Sign. And now we can see that that location is not in the active list. If you have deactivated a location and you wish to reactivate that location because it's now active for use again, you can easily reactivate locations or other items that have been deactivated by going to the filter icon at the top of the list and selecting Show Inactive Items. From here, we can see that the Cal Lab that I just deactivated is showing with an inactive status. To reactivate the Cal Lab location, click on the Activate Selected Location icon. And, if appropriate, add your electronic signature. And click Sign. Now we can see that the Cal Lab location no longer says inactive next to it, which means it's available to be selected again. Okay, that concludes our brief tutorial. Do you have additional questions? Please contact us at 1-800-225-4034 option 3 or at support@aicompanies.com. Thank you.